Wishing you all a very, very happy new year. We are entering the new year. 2022 is here. और सोचा भी नहीं था इतनी जल्दी ये साल निकल गया. Hasn't been very, very easy on most of us. But I quickly want to share with you my biggest learning and takeaway, and that is going to be my mantra for 2022 as well. This is very important for every one of you. No particular segment, no particular specific people, everybody. So watch this video. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Yeah. And in this video, I am going to talk about building that relationship with yourself and something which has been so key to it. बहुत foundational, बहुत core पे एक चीज जो मैंने अपने लिए देखी और 2022 में आने वाले साल में वही मुझे govern करेगी. That's where I'm going to operate from. That's going to be my context. Okay. And what is that one thing? It's not holding yourself back. बहुत बार सुना होगा, अच्छा भी लगता है सुन करके, आसान नहीं है. जितनी कंडीशनिंग, जितने बिलीव्स के साथ हम ऑपरेट करते हैं, हमारे बिलीव्स ही हमें गवर्न करते हैं. ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ये करो, ये मत करो, ऐसा करोगे तो अच्छा है, एक्सेप्ट होगे, ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो पीपल विल अबैंडन, एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. So we get into that mode of I'm supposed to be like this. Now, in this entire last year, what I realized, there were lots of breakthroughs, breakdowns, सब कुछ हुआ, बहुत सारे lows भी थे, और उन्होंने मुझे overwhelm भी किया कि ये क्या हो रहा है, इससे कैसे बाहर निकलूंगी. Very, very rough patches, I would say, personally, professionally. But what has, and some of them I have gone beyond powerfully. Some of them I'm still stuck in. New things have opened up. All because I realized that the only thing that's giving me happiness is when I'm not holding myself back. जब मैं कुछ बनने की कोशिश नहीं कर रही हूँ, when I'm not trying to pretend or be somebody, operating from a context that this is what I'm supposed to do and who I'm supposed to be. I've been doing that all my life. But the moment I just let things be and I said, एक ही context है, I'm going to be myself. I'm going to do what feels at home to me. And things started to turn around. बहुत सारा confusion आता है, lack of clarity महसूस होती है, पर उसके बाद जैसे जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना, बादल हटते हैं, you start to see a newer version of you. You start to see suddenly कि कहाँ से चीजें हो रही हैं, कैसे हो रही हैं, क्या निकल के आ रहा है. And I have started to feel super happy. Right? Doesn't mean कि वो downs नहीं हैं, वो हैं, but this has steered me. And 2022, my mantra is I'm not holding myself back. Doesn't mean I don't care for anybody else, no. But my first priority is me. I'm not holding myself back. और हर वो चीज़ जो मैं चाहती हूँ, हर वो चीज़ जो मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो मुझे मुझसे कनेक्ट करती है, मैं उसमें आगे बढ़ूंगी. एंड wherever need be, I will enroll people into it. Where I'm not able to enroll people, I understand that, here maybe I need to put my foot down, fine. But where I see people are sucking my energy, they are not good for my mental health, it's all not working out, I will not shy away from just moving on. Yeah. And that is a different level altogether. It feels liberating, right? So all I want you all to literally practice this. I'm not saying kya kariye ya kya mat kariye. All I'm saying is the moment your context is not holding yourself back, everything changes. Everything changes. Doesn't happen overnight, बट धीरे 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 आप देखोगे miracles start to happen, things start to appear, and it's all phenomenal. So for 2022, what is going to be your context? Number one, and consider operating from this context. अगर आप एक्साइटमेंट, एंथुजियाज्म, हैप्पीनेस इन सबको महसूस करना चाहते हो, अगर आप चाहते हो कि रिजल्ट्स वो हो जो आप चाह रहे हो, तो उसके लिए ज़रूरी है डोंट होल्ड योर सेल्फ बैक. ओके, कनेक्ट विद हु यू आर, बी योर सेल्फ, forget being pretentious, operating from supposed to, and just be yourself. I hope you were able to relate with this, and I'm sending lots of love, lots of happiness to you this new year. Make the most of it, right? Make the most of it. Come what may, don't hold yourself back. Every moment is an opportunity. Yeah, it's a choice that you have. So take care. See you inside this year. Bye-bye.